Found what I went wrong. I don't know how to sing, but whatever. Hey guys, it's your girl IbbyInspired, and I am back with another tutorial. I know, you can clap for me now. As you guys can tell by today's title, I am going to be giving you guys this beautiful short 4C natural hairstyle look. Now, you don't have to be a 4C chick in order to pull off this look, but I am 4C, obviously, and this works so well for my hair, so I definitely wanted to show you guys what I do pretty much every day in the mornings because this hairstyle is so freaking easy. If you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle, don't forget to subscribe first thing first to that IbbyInspired fam bam, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so for today's tutorial, you are going to need a water-based hairspray. I have the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray, and this is from the Main Choice. You are going to need a curling cream or a leave-in conditioner, one of the two. And in my case, I have the Can 2 for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. Smells so good. Then you are going to need a pick comb, big or small, it does not matter as long as it can pick your coils. You are also going to need a hair sponge, and I have a very large hair sponge. You can also get this from your local beauty supply hair store. You're going to need some edge control, sis, so we can lay down those edges. I have the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste, and this is from Curls. Curls for the girls, curls for the girl. You guys, this edge control is fire. This edge control is like one of the only edge controls that can actually keep my edges down. And of course, as you guys can see, I have 4C hair, so it ain't easy. You are going to need an oil spray. Doesn't really matter which oil spray you have. This is just more for the sheen. I have the Daily Hydration Finishing Oil Serum, and this is from Shea Moisture. And last but not least, you are going to need an edge control brush. And again, you guys can get this from your local beauty hair supply store, or you can just go old school and use your brother's toothbrush. Who cares? Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Just to let you guys know, for my water-based hairspray, I did fill this up with half water once I got finished with half of the product, and that's because I really like a lot of water in my hair. 4C or natural hair loves moisture, and the best way to do that is by using a lot of water, keeping your hair moisturized to prevent any breakage and to prevent any dryness in your hair. So I literally just take this spray and I drench the heck out of my hair, and as you guys can see, my hair is actually looking very moisturized. It's been looking very moisturized since I've been spraying my hair with this spray every single day. Honestly, you guys, if you really don't have the funds for this hairspray, you can literally go to your kitchen sink, take water, and splash your head. Splash it like you're getting baptized. It's literally the same thing. I just liked a little bit more of a controlled spray. You can also go to your local beauty hair supply store and get a spray bottle, fill it up with water, and just spray your head. Girl, it's the same thing. So my hair is actually already detangled, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do to detangle my hair. And I do a nice finger detangle. So I literally just pull my hair, I take my fingers, and I just run my hair through. Now, as you guys can see, I'm not taking my fingers and running it completely through my hair, because my hair is very thick and is still very coily and I don't want to cause any breakage again. But the whole point and goal is to get your coils to pretty much loosen up, because we are going to be forming our own defined curls. You don't want to have a lot of coils in your hair to start off with. I also take my pick comb and I lift my hair. So this is kind of like when you are bumping your hair up, or when you are trying to get that definition after your twist out or braid out. But I just take the comb, I put it at the root of my hair, and I just lift it just like that. Okay, so again, as you can see, my afro looks bigger, higher, fuller. We're getting closer to Jesus, honey. I am going to now take just a little bit of my Cantu coconut curling cream. Because this is so concentrated, we're just gonna use about this much. Rub them between my hands just like this. And as you can see, my hands are fully coated, and we're just going to rub that all around our head just like that. When I'm rubbing it in my head, I'm not pushing my hair down. I'm pulling it up as if I were to get ready to put my hair in a ponytail. Not too hard though. My hair can almost do a ponytail. I mean, it'll be the biggest struggle ponytail y'all ever seen, but we're getting there. Okay guys, so now for the fun part. We are going to take our hair sponge and we are going to just start moving our sponge around our hair. So I like to start with very little circular motions, and I'm always moving the sponge towards my face. And the reason why I do that, because I don't want the curls or your coils to be back. I want these coils and curls to frame my face. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. I use the flat part of the sponge. As you can see, it has a spiky side, but I like how my coils and my curls look better with this side. So again, I just take this flat part and I just start going. See, I'm already getting some definition. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, but I'm getting these little baby curls. I'm pulling my hair to one side so I can make sure that I'm getting every part of my hair possible. And you can see the definition. I'm gonna do one half for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the defined side and then my side that I have not defined yet. Okay guys, so I just did half of my hair. I wanted to really take my time and define it for you guys so you guys can see the full effect and what this sponge actually does. So do you guys see the coils? Those are the coils of my hair from this sponge. And then if you guys can look on the other side, it's just my afro. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other side, and I'm going to show you guys what my hair fully looks like when it is sponged out. So this is what my hair looks like when it has been fully sponged out, but I'm going to show you guys what I do to make it extra cute. So I just take that same pick comb and I part my hair to the side, and what I do is I take the Curls Berry Bliss edge control, and then I just literally, just so that the part is absolutely defined, I take the edge control and I put it right on the side of that part, and then same thing. Now you want to be careful with this because sometimes if you use a little bit too much, of course it can look like a little bit of product buildup, so you definitely want to be careful. Do you guys see how smooth and shiny the edge control is? And look how it just literally just lays my hair down. You guys, again, I have 4C hair. Not a lot of products can do that. And then I literally just take that same edge control and I just place it like right in front of my hair. So now that my hair is in that part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the sponge. I'm gonna put my finger where my part is so we don't lose it, and we're just going to drag and sponge the hair down just like this, curling as I go down. See that? I'm moving as I go down. To make my edges, even though I really don't have like edges to really like edges like that, but to make everything a little bit cuter, I just take the same Berry Bliss edge control. They gonna stay, sis, they gonna stay. Just be nice to your edges. And then last but not least, it's going to be our oil spray, and I really just use this for the effect, just to make my hair look nice and shiny and sheeny. And yeah guys, this is what my final results look like. What do you guys think? If you guys like this hairstyle, or if you guys want to see more hairstyles and tutorials like this, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to that IbbyInspired Fam Bam, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.